If you're an online product seller, you probably know the importance of planning ahead for upcoming seasons and holidays. If you're not proactive, it can sneak up on you, and before you know it, this season has come and gone without any ability to capitalize on it from your end. I've been there too many times. I don't want that to happen to you, which is why I'm coming alongside you to get started early and help you compile some amazing holiday digital products ideas. Every season brings potential spikes in shopping, but none compared to Q4 when it comes to the amount of shoppers online and the amount of dollars being spent in online shopping. Trust me, you want to make the most of that natural momentum and start planning now for products that'll be holiday specific and in high demand for the Christmas season. So in this video, I'm giving you my top 7 picks for holiday digital products to sell this year. Let's get into it. All right, let's jump into the first digital product you can sell this holiday season, and that is holiday-themed digital paper. Now, when I'm talking about digital paper, I'm talking about creating seamless patterns that you sell that can be used for a wide variety of things. Most commonly, seamless patterns are sold as digital paper to be printed out for scrapbooking purposes or for projects, but seamless patterns can also be sold as digital files for others to use digitally as backgrounds. A seamless pattern is basically just several elements or pieces of text that are put together in a pattern that repeats itself over and over again in the same order without there being any seams. This type of digital paper comes in all different themes for different holidays and seasons, so you can bet there are a lot of crafters and project makers and designers out there looking to purchase holiday specific or Christmas themed digital paper. You can create these seamless patterns on a lot of different design programs, my favorite being Canva. I love Canva because it is super easy to learn, beginner friendly, user intuitive, and I'm actually about to launch my brand new digital products with Canva online course. It's a full comprehensive course all about how to start and scale a profitable digital products business designing in Canva. And seamless patterns is one of the step-by-step tutorials in the course. So I've been diving deep into this, and I think there is so much potential here for digital paper and seamless patterns. So at the time of this filming, we haven't quite launched that course yet. The doors are opening very soon, but we do have a waitlist going. So if you're interested in learning more about creating digital products with Canva that you can sell online, you can click the link in the description box below to hop on the waitlist, so you'll be the first to know when the doors to that open. And you may also get a special perk or two for being on that waitlist. All right, moving on to product type number 2 that you can sell this holiday season, and this would be holiday or winter themed mock-ups. If you're not familiar with what a mock-up is, it's an image or a photograph that's been taken that digital product sellers and print-on-demand sellers use to layer their own designs on top of to use as listing images, which gives their buyer an idea of what the actual physical, tangible product would look like. This is really helpful for those kind of sellers because most often they don't have a tangible version of their product in hand, like the sweatshirt or the shirt they're selling with their design on it, or the digital product that's meant to be printed out by the buyer, so they can just use a mock-up image which is blank to layer their own design on top of. There are all different kinds of mock-up images, from mugs to t-shirts to mock-ups for stationery and cards. So if you have an eye for photography, you can take mock-up images and sell them online. And here we're talking specifically about mock-up images that can be used for the holiday season. So normally they're staged with holiday themed props. Think red, white, green, ornaments, candy canes, mugs, hot cocoa, or you could go with more of just a winter theme, which would be things like snow, branches, snowmen, snowflakes. You can be really creative with this, and you can bet that there are a lot of online sellers who use mockups that are going to be purchasing specifically holiday themed mockups to use for Q4. All right, product number 3 is Christmas themed clip art or SVG cut files. Clip art can be a wide variety of things, from graphic icons to illustrations to different graphic assets and elements. And these can be used for, again, a wide variety of things, everything from online business owners using these types of files in their designs to social media posts to files that can be printed out for scrapbooking projects. But these kind of files, specifically SVG files, are widely popular for those who use cutting machines like Cricut and Silhouette. So if you can come up with some holiday or Christmas themed SVG files or present them as clip art or a bundle of graphic elements, then you're sure to be meeting major market demand this holiday season. Moving on to our next product type, which is a winter wedding or event invitation. This type of invitation can either be editable by the customer after they purchase, or it could be something where you create it on your end as a seller and deliver the final customized files ready to go to your buyer. Most often when you're looking on platforms like Etsy, where these types of digital products are sold, you'll notice that most of these types of invitations now are sold in the form of an editable template. This means the buyer, after purchasing the template, can go onto whatever template platform that the seller has specified and edit the colors, the fonts, the wording, and change things around to make it exactly what they want and then print it on their own. So as a seller, you'd be creating something like this in a platform that you can create and sell templates from, like Canva or Template. But we're not just thinking about any invitation here, we're specifically thinking about winter-themed or holiday-themed weddings and different events for the Christmas season. All right, moving right along to our next digital product, which is printable Christmas cards or stationery. Christmas cards is one of the main categories that sells super well for obvious reasons during the holiday season, and more people who send Christmas cards are switching from purchasing physical packs of Christmas cards at the store to purchasing a printable file that they can just print on their own. So here again, you could choose to make these cards editable in a template version or sell them as is as an instant download file that the buyer wouldn't edit at all. They would just download the file and print. You can do this specifically for cards, or you can make stationery of different sorts that's also holiday or Christmas themed. All right, our next product is a really fun one, and this is a pack of digital stickers. Digital stickers really come in handy for people who use digital planners with apps like GoodNotes or OneNote. People that have a digital planner a lot of times will purchase a separate pack of digital stickers and personalize their planner a little bit more. So you could sell a whole bundle or set of holiday or winter themed digital stickers to market to people who use digital planners. Again, just want to clarify, I'm not talking about physical stickers. We're talking about digital files that are called stickers that people can then use in an annotation app like GoodNotes, where they might be using their digital planner. And our next digital product for the holiday season is a printable Christmas planner. There are so many different things that you could do with this, but a lot of people, again, who love planning and using a system for digital planning would be interested in finding something they can print out to help organize what so often becomes chaotic in the holiday season. So you can make this as simple or as robust as you want, but you can include things like a master to-do list, a monthly to-do list, separate budget pages for Christmas food and decor and gifts, a books to read this season page, a shows to watch this season checklist, a gift list, a card list. The options really are limitless here. So you would want to include whatever trackers or checklists or pages you feel like would be useful for your buyer in a bundle and give them the files that can be instantly printed out. So friends, those are my top 7 picks for digital product sellers to sell this holiday season. So I hope that gives you some inspiration, some sparks of ideas, and make sure if you're interested in learning more about creating digital products on Canva to sell online, that you hop on the waitlist for my brand new digital products with Canva course that's being launched very soon. Again, the link for that waitlist is in the description box below. So comment below and let me know which of these ideas was your favorite, and do you sell any holiday or winter themed products already? Happy selling, friends!